Okay, everybody, this is video number 10, Binomial Theorem, Part 4. So, we continue where we left off last time. Let's make sure we can create Pascal's triangle. Okay, Pascal's triangle again goes like this. We have a 1, then a 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, and that 2 came from 1 plus 1, right? Then we have a 1, 3, 3, 1, and the 3 came from 1 and 2, just like this 3 came from 1 and 2 there. So the outside or the beginning and end of each row are 1s, and the numbers in the middle are the sums of the numbers above them. Okay, so continuing the pattern, we have a 1, 4, 6, 3 and 3 is 6, 4, 1. Next row, 1, 5, 4, 1 and 4 is 5, right? 4 and 6 is 10, 6 and 4 is 10, 4 and 1 is 5, 1. Let's go a couple more rows just for the practice. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. Okay, and then let's do one more. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. And we could keep going on and on down here, right, guys? But I think that's all we're going to need. Now, today I wanted to follow up on another kind of question they would ask you, okay? And we'll go ahead and start with the first one I have set up right here. Notice they want the fifth term of this expansion. So logically what we're going to do is we're going to set it up and pretend we're doing the whole expansion, and then we're just going to pick the fifth term. Okay, so since it is a 5 power, hopefully you understand, I'm going to go to Pascal's triangle here, and I'm looking at row 5 right here, right? And I need 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And then, oops, I just did it on the wrong one, didn't I? Sorry about that, guys. Let's go to the right one. First, let me verify. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here we go. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now the x, of course, will go to the 5 power. So x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0, which of course is 1. Likewise, the y will also go to the 5 power, but backwards in reverse. y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0, which goes to 1. Now let's get to our answer. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fifth term is this right here. And so our answer is just simply 5, x, y, 4. This right here, again, is my fifth term in the expansion. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, hopefully we can pick the pace up here. Notice the second one here wants a power of 6 on the expansion, right? So, I know it goes 1, 6. Now let's see what else it is. Now we're going to use, of course, the row with the 6 in it. So we want 1, 6, then 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. Let's verify that. Just to make sure. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. 1, 6. Okay, we have it set up right. So here we go. I know that 2x goes to the 6th power. So I'm going to go 2x to the 6. Use parentheses, guys. 2x to the 5, 2x to the 4, 2x to the 3, 2x to the 2, 2x to the 1, and 2x to the 0, of course, is 1. The y also goes to 6, but it's a negative y. Be careful of that darn negative, so we're going to go in reverse. Negative y to the 6. Use parentheses, guys. Negative y5, negative y4, negative y3, negative y2, negative y1, negative y to the 0, of course, is 1. Now, let's get to our answer. They want the second term, so we're going to go 1, 2. That's what they want. Now, let's watch our signs here. Follow the green here. Notice the negative y is to the 1 power, so we know we're going to have a negative in there, right? With a 6 is negative 6. 2 to the 5 is 32. So I have to do 32 times negative 6, which is going to be negative, what, 12, 1, 192. So timesing all my numbers is 192. The x is to the 5, and the y is to the 1. This right here, guys, negative 192 x5y is the second term in this expansion. Pause the video if you need to. Finally, I set up one more here, guys. And notice this one is the 7 power. Oh boy, that means we're going to have to use this last row here, right? So 1, 7, 21. 1, 7, 21. 35, 35. 35, 35. 21, 7, 1. And now we're going to do x to the 7. So that would be x7, x6, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0, which is 1. Then we're going to go 2 to the 7th power in reverse. 2, 7, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 0, which of course is 1. And they want the 5th term. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be my answer, guys. So notice, follow the green. I have a 35. I got times that with 2 to the 4th. Okay. So I got to take 35 times 16. And since I don't have my calculator, I'm going to do it old school here. And hopefully I don't embarrass myself and make a stupid mistake. But it looks like it's 560, guys. And so the only variable is x to the 3. So unless I made a silly mistake, I know the 5th term is 560 x cubed, or x to the 3 power. Pause the video one last time. Okay, guys, hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. And until next time, bye.